I'm not afraid of the dark. We've been here before, falling on hard times, honey. We've fallen on swords. If a long shadow falls across your heart, I'll be right here with you. I'm not afraid of the dark. I'm not afraid of the dark. When the sun goes down and the dreams grow teeth and the beasts come out and cast their long shadows, every time they start, I'll be right here with you. I'm not afraid of the dark. Out on the hills the hounds are baying, out on the moor the foxes run, to stay alive until the light is fading, then pray for light that seems so long to come. I'm not afraid of the dark, so if the stars get scarce and you reach for him, and honey, he's not there, just a long shadow across your heart, you can reach for me. I'm not afraid of the dark. I'm not afraid of the dark. When the sun goes down and the dreams grow teeth and the beasts come out and cast their long shadows, every time they start, you can reach for me.
This building's not that great. Footage of the neighborhood here.
Till at last all around us was fastness, one vast glassy desert of arsenic white. And the waves that once lifted us sifted instead into drifts against Annabelle's sides, and the crew gathered closer. First for the comfort that each morning would bring a new set of tracks in the snow leading over the edge of the world. I was the only one left. And after that it gets cloudy, but it feels like I lay there for days, maybe for months. But Annabelle held me, two of us happy just to think back on all we had done. Discover she gave up her body to me. And as I chopped up her mainsail for timber, I told her of all that we still had to see. And as the frost turned her moorings to nine-tail and the wind lashed her sides in the cold, I burned her to keep me alive every night in the loving embrace of her hull. And I won't call it rest, brought me back here to the old world to drink and to clean, to pretend that the search for another new world was well worth the burning of mine. Sometimes at night, in my dreams comes the singing of some unknown tropical bird, and I smile in my sleep thinking Annabelle Lee's finally made it to another new world. Yeah, sometimes at night, in my dreams comes the singing of some unnamed tropical bird. And I smile in my sleep, thinking Annabelle Lee finally made it to another new world.
What do y'all think about this weather we're getting?
Blizzard 2011. I've never seen such a thing. It didn't snow like this in southeast Missouri. And Joelle is just glad that she arrived early as opposed to arriving over this past weekend when she was due, because we'd be stuck at the hospital for sure, whether we wanted to be or not.
Yes, indeedy. We're glad Joel came early. The Lord knows what he's doing.
She's happy now.
She is indeed. We're safe inside the house here, even though it's snowy outside.
We're warm and cozy.